My absolute favorite Hale and Hush product right now is Refine Polish. I'm totally obsessed with this. It's a really good exfoliant. Again, like I said, you can put a little bit in the quiet wash and use it daily, or you can use it once to twice a week. For those clients who are super compromised, have compromised barrier, and they can't have enzymes or acids, this is what you want to use for the exfoliant. So just a little quarter-size amount. Can I have a little bit of water, Chris?
You can.
That's about a nickel, I guess.
There you go.
I'm a slight overuser, so please forgive. But you just add a little water, emulsify. In the shower, this is so lovely. It's refreshing on the daily. I need a little more water, Chris. It's a little slime. A little slimy. What I love about Refine Polish, it has two major functions. The first one is, of course, to help with barrier repair. And the second one is to help with the microbiome. But what I do love is it just sloughs off all the dirt, debris, makeup, gives you an extra deep, detoxifying, purifying little cleanse to the skin on a weekly basis. You'll see it's granular, and people ask a lot about that. What's making it scrubby? What makes it scrubby is jojoba beads, and there's a lot of awesome ingredients. Chris, tell us all about the ingredients in here.
Well, besides the jojoba beads, which are really nice for your sensitive skin being spherical that you mentioned, we also have a Swiss pine extract in there, which is going to help with the microbiome, calming the skin. Yogurt in there, so you've got some of your probiotics, prebiotics in there as well. The nice thing about this is when we talked about quiet wash, we talked about not having a lot of acids and enzymes in those products. It's nice a lot of the polishes and things that are out there also offer those. That's fine for normal skin, but with sensitive skin, we want to keep the inflammation down. We still want to give them some nice polish without overdoing it and being too aggressive. This is nice to add into your back treatments. I mean, if you're doing a hand massage or treatment on the massage, use that before you use the massage lotion. So, but it's very calming. It's not, her skin isn't turning red as she's polishing, like sometimes happens with other polishes.
It's great on sensitive areas too, anywhere on the body. What I do, it is granular texture. So what you want to do is, I always cleanse it twice. I cleanse with these little pads that I love, and then as soon as I can get the base of it off, just to make sure that I have it all off, I will also use a hot towel. Your options are up to you, how you want to do that. You can still see there's just a little bit on the skin, right? Little tiny bit. So we want to make sure to cleanse it all off. Thank you so much. Look at that steamy steam. Now, when you're working with sensitive skin, hot towels feel wonderful, but it can really irritate and inflame the skin. So we always make sure to really cool the towel down. You want to use tepid towels or sometimes even cold towels. However, please do not do what I'm doing with a cold towel over the skin, because it's completely uncomfortable. So just start washing off the product you have on the skin. And we're just going to let that set for a minute. Remember, with any exfoliants, enzymes, we don't really want to push the product in, so we let the towel do the work for us. And then we just get all those little extra jojoba beads off her skin, and you will see such a nice and bright.
Let's glow to it.
Look at that.
You missed a little bit right
I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Look at the boss, keeping me alive, keeping me on my toes. Make sure you don't get it in their ears. That's what my one client complained. I always get it in her ears.
You saw how much Shauna used. I mean, the thing is to use just a little bit. Educate your clients that too. All of our products are really concentrated. A little bit goes a long way. So really show them how much product to use. You don't have to overuse it.
Nice, and I'm going in. Sorry, girl. Did that feel gentle on your skin, or did it feel rough? Can you explain it to us just 1 minute?
That felt really good. It wasn't rough at all.
Perfect. Thank you.
Gentle.
Thank you. Okay, you can see the brightness of the skin already has changed. It's wonderful. Polish, one of my favorite treatments, Hale and Hush treatments of all times. We do have a sensitive skin protocol available on our website if anyone would like that protocol.